Naging curious ka na ba kung how much kinikita ng mga AI expert or AI specialist or mga AI consultants or even mga AI automation specialist? So I'll show you how much they're actually earning per hour, no? If ever you decide kang gusto mong maging mag-aral at maging AI specialist. Ayan. So for AI professionals, you can earn from 25 to $50 per hour, even 30 to $60 per hour, no? Kung magkakaroon ka naman mga projects for AI automation, you can earn around like 640 to $900 per hour. Pwede ring 1,600. Ayan, so yan, $1,600 dollars. So yeah, so that info comes from onlinejobs.ph. So if you're an Upwork as well, so interested kayo or gusto niyo matutong mag AI automation expertise, you can actually join my Discord channel called Darlier AI, and or you can attend my upcoming webinar as well to understand a bit more AI. It's going to be on November 14th at 7 p.m. So yeah, so hope to see you guys and follow me for more AI tips. See you.